pretty much the area that he's standing in is like a really low spot, and then it comes up and it's a little higher right here. So we have a few different options that we could do. One of the options would be we could try to rototill the whole area, and then, but if we did that, obviously the soil's gonna sink, so we would have to bring something in. And with it being clay soil, the last thing we need to happen is for our ground to sink anymore.
Right.
So actually what we've decided to do, we have that pile of dirt that we've been using to make the hugelkultur beds, and we eventually want to get our field to where it's wider, so that's got to go anyway. So what we're going to do is we borrowed a tractor, and we are going to move that dirt, and we're going to try to bring it in here and try to level this area out a little bit better, so that we won't have, because with clay soil, another problem that you have is the groundwater likes to just sit. So we just had a pretty decent rain, but it wasn't like a massive rain, but you can't really tell it on camera, but it's still pretty wet there. So we're gonna bring the dirt in, raise the level up a little bit, and then that's where we will begin our garden. And we're already behind in gardening season, so yeah, we gotta hurry up and we gotta get to this, and we gotta get this started. So here we go.
We're falling out, we have reached disaster. Don't know where we're gonna be after. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Like the waves pull you down underwater. We're fun until we hit the bottom. And we do it all again and again and again and again. Again and again and again and again. We're falling down, we faded. But I know that we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Even if we go a lot and break us down, I know we are Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. I know we can save it. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Cause we're like Alpha and Omega. Even if we go all out and break us down, yeah, we can work it out. Alpha and Omega. Alpha and Omega. Whatever happens doesn't matter, I know we can sort it out.
We are already a full week into April. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of freaking out a little bit. We are so far behind, or at least feel like we are so far behind. We should have already had all of our brassicas in. We should have had our root crops, should already be in. And We don't even have this ready to go, and we still have raised beds to put in, and
We're a little behind schedule.
we're a lot behind schedule.
We'll get there. Sometimes the plan doesn't always come out like we think, but
Don't be Mr. Positive. You.
we will get there.
We better. We're gonna starve.
We won't starve.
We better not.
Our food might be a little behind schedule, but it'll be there.
I hope.